Oh, sure. Oh, I forgot to turn the tail towards you. All right, hover it, hover it. All right, turn it around. It's pointing at you. It's not supposed to be. Yeah, all right, now make it come back. Slowly. There you go. Beautiful. Up. Up.
That was a perfect landing.
Yeah, it was.
I'm like better than you. You just crashing and landing. You're like, and I'm like get straight out and like land it, but that doesn't tilt.
Mm-hmm.
It's stupid.
All right.
You're right. It does smell bad.
Yeah. Oh, because it's running hot right now. Okay.
Not too hot.
Oh, here we go in the sun again.
That's the straight up thing. Yeah, smaller.
Don't crash it.
It's too roomy.
There you go. Perfect.
Perfect landing! That's like my best landing! Oh my god! My mom's gonna be so happy!
That's perfect landing. Look at that.
That's like perfect, but not that perfect.
Yeah, it is.
No, you can tell it's like tilted.
Not from here, you can't. Look at it from here. Well, you'll see on the tape.
Oh yeah, you could not see that tilted though. Well, I could see it's a little tilted. It's like... Okay, back to flying!